Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the exact worksheet you need to preview. Once done, make sure you saved any changes so the preview reflects current data. Next, inspect page layout. Set margins, orientation, and paper size because these settings directly affect how content fits. You should also look for hidden rows or columns now. They change pagination. This initial check prevents surprises when you move to the actual print preview. Now you define the print area to limit the preview to relevant cells. Select the range and choose Set Print Area. After that, use Scale to Fit. Set width and height to one page if needed or pick a custom % to preserve readability. Then insert or edit headers and footers so titles and page numbers show correctly. Finally, inspect Page Break Preview to move breaks manually. This helps you control where pages split before viewing the print preview. You finish by opening File Print to see the print preview and confirm pagination, scaling, and headers. If something looks off, switch the printer or change orientation and duplex settings. Those alter layout. Once satisfied, export to PDF to preserve formatting or print directly. Make sure to check the final margins and that no critical columns are cut off. Troubleshooting tip: if preview shows missing data, return to page layout and clear print area or remove manual page breaks to let Excel recalculate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.